Okay, ooh.
Okay.
Looking good. Ready for primer?
Yes, yes. I didn't waste a bunch of time on masking. You may have noticed.
Well, we still got
We got to sand everything else. Anyhow.
Right on.
So,
Hey Mike, you maybe want to untuck your shirt because you're looking a little bit Christmas
peckish at least.
and Christmas is over.
How's that, Christmas? No, it's not. The hangover remains, and she's hanging over the belt.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so what are we doing? Quarters, back,
Yep.
front, cobble.
I had to do a repair on the pot metal on both of them.
Okay, yeah.
So I just got to spot prime front fenders. I'm going to spot prime the front of the hood.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Are you gonna need a hand to put this over after?
No, dude, it's already primed.
Prime on the other side, okay, yeah.
Now here's the question, right?
Yes.
I hate sanding these things.
Oh, Jesus,
And
yes.
I don't want to sand them twice. So I'm going to mask that off right now.
And then we'll just seal it and paint it.
I'm
Yes.
just hoping it's straight enough. I mean, they're pretty good, but I'm going to have to spend a little more time. Oh, yes. What do you think? There's a couple, right?
Right here, this one's high.
Yeah. Yes.
See it again there?
Well, see, that's low a bit, and then you got a high one right there. See it, Matt? See it? Like you can feel it. You know what they say, guys? What's the old bodyman axiom? The hand can feel what the eye cannot see.
You'd have to ask them about it.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to be a good body man, you got to go back to charismatics. You got to lay your hands upon the body.
Yeah, and if you can't feel it, put a fuzzy towel on there.
Yeah, because you can feel like a cigarette, like the plastic thickness of a cigarette package. You can feel. You can't see it.
Yeah.
And most people don't believe it, but like you said, the more you lay your hands on the car, the more you'll feel it. And when it feels like this, you know, you're good to go. Oops, sorry, Blair. These hands were washed yesterday.
Great. Fish eyes are your problem.
Yeah, are you going to wipe this stuff down or not?
Of course.
I'll go, okay, I'm not going to worry about it.
You don't need to watch that.
I leave it into your capable hands, Mr. Smith.
Oh, thank you most kindly. Okay, I'll cover that up and mix up my primer.
Okay.
And turn on the fan.
Do we have a paper towel, the right stuff? You can yell at me when you want the fan on, and I'll turn it on for you.
I'll turn it on right now.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Do not want to sand it.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely right. Okay, you're absolutely wrong. You've been wrong all the time.
Oh, yeah.
You're absolutely wrong, and I'm wronger.
Okay. You open up this door, it's gonna get cold in here.
Yeah, crack it. Oh, here, actually, Blair, when you crack the far one, then the air warms up. You get a lot warmer air when it runs through the whole shop. That's what I think anyway. Does not make sense?
And that's all that matters.
Yes. Well, here, then that way, right? You know what I mean? Instead of sucking it from right outside straight into the paint booth, we'll suck it from the far end.
I'll wait right here.
Yeah, hang on. Well, I think it's a better idea.
About an hour, right?
Aren't you going to agree with me? The warmer the air going into the booth, the better? Yes? No? I'm not wrong. You're not going to say I'm right, though.
At this time. Hey, that's your man.
Shut up. We did have a little bit of an incident here, dear. I think we got to do a little more body work on the door at a later date. Are you kidding me? I was looking for these. I just bought a new pair.
You're not very smart.
No, I'm not very smart.
Okay, go priming.
Okay, go priming. Prime time Smith, we call him.
There.
Is that better? Here, I'll crank the heat a bit for you, Blair.
Thanks.
Remember, money is no... You already got the heat cranked, you bastard. 68 degrees. Lincoln, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't look at me like that. That dog is spoiled. What's wrong with your bed? What's wrong with your bed? What's wrong with your bed? okay, that's Blair's seat anyway, I don't care. There
He
you go.
loves you so much.
Even pepperoni, okay.
Yes, that's right.
Pepperoni steak. Is that your painting hat, or do you have a better one?
Oh yeah, I got a special one. You bet.
Don't forget to put on your painting hat.
Okay. All right. And 462 milliliters to quarter tube.
Remember our little faux pas last time, eh, Blair?
Don't recall any such thing.
You
But I know that
you
some
want to
people.
expand on the little incident, Blair?
This is a bit of a science. It's not like the old days. So you have to pay attention to your mixing ratios. So there's a difference between the volume of this tube and this tube. So
And ask how he knows the difference. Explain what happened, Blair. Educate us.
I have no idea how it happened, but I used one of these tubes for a gallon instead of this tube.
And
Naturally, I became very good at removing primer with a plastic putty spreader. Good thing there was no witnesses.
from two doors.
2 doors, a trunk lid, and a hood. But, you know, who's keeping track, right?
Not me. He just did it. He actually resprayed it at his nickel because he's a very conscientious employee. One of the few I happen to have.
Can't believe I did that. It'll never happen again. Gallons to liters to Gimli or something like that. Anyhow. $462 milliliters. Ah! Spilled. Yes. And where's my razor blade?
Blair,
Yeah, man.
you smashed the shit out of your new phone.
Might have. Yeah, that's a plastic cover on it, man.
Isn't this the new $2,000 be all end all?
New, dude.
And how many days?
It was not Blair proof.
I don't think the Titanic would have been Blair proof.
And I do strain it. I know it's high solids, but I still strain it. I just can't stand tons of crap in the primer. And I gotta mix up one more. Oh yeah, cut away from yourself. I could also tell you how I know that, but I won't. There. These beauties. Ta-da! Yeah.
Is that your primer gun?
Yes, yes. These work beautifully. Yes, I've used this for a few years now, and it works amazing. Spreads it out real nice. Where's my mask? Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, that was close. Okay. Now we'll do this a whole bunch of times. But I want to go in and just have a look in 10 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
See anything's fit,
Okay, it's
right?
4:30, so I'll let you have a smoke.
Oh yeah.
It's good. You sucked all those vapors now. Just get something clean in your lungs, buddy. You got to quit that disgusting habit.
It is.
I know.
I'm prepared to take it up and do it.
Where's Lincoln gone?
I put him outside. Ooh, look at that, eh? You know what that is?
That's a bumper from a 1972 Dodge Camino.
That's a glove box lid from a 1968 Sports Satellite convertible. Nice, eh? Ooh, baby, ooh, baby. Well, see, this is the gas tank that was in it. But we have a new one, but this one looks like it was new. Maybe not. We're gonna check. We'll run the bore scope down and take a look. If not, we have a new one. I think 68 and 69 interchange, if I'm not mistaken. I have to remember where
What,
the
1968, 1969?
There should be the same gas tank between 68 and 69. I could actually look up in my interchange now. I'm pretty sure they look the same, but sometimes it happened. Sometimes they had a return line, sometimes they didn't. I know in Chevelle's, you can tell this is the Bible. Use it all the time. Let's look up fuel system. What do we got here? Okay, I haven't used this in a while. Well, I've had this thing longer than most people have been alive. Clutch, auto, electrical, cooling, fuel. Fuel tank. Page 63. 61, 62, 63. Fuel tank assembly. We want Plymouth. I wonder if it says Roadrunner. Challenger, Plymouth. Dodge, Fairlane, Ford, Pontiac Ram Charger. Where's Plymouth? Plymouth truck. Plymouth, okay. Here we go, Plymouth. See also Barracuda, no. Belvedere Satellite. Okay. Belvedere, 68 Belvedere Satellite sedan, hardtop and convertible is a 655. So we go to 655. 655. God, I'm going blind. 655. Fuel tank assembly. Dodge 68, 69. Coronet, sedan, hardtop convertible. Belvedere Satellite. GTX Roadrunner, Belvedere Satellite. So 68, 69, and 70. Hey Blair, that same gas tank, 68 to 70. So if that one's bad, we'll run the old bore scope down it. We got a brand new one. Sitting out in the box there.
Excellent. Only one? Do you have a sender? Might as well get a sender.
We can talk to Lord. Let's talk to Lord Co right now.
Let's spend some money.
Yeah, let's spend.
Who are you gonna call?
Ghostbusters. Classic Industries. Our buddies at Classic Industries. First, we'll check Lord Co because they're local and it could be a common sender, right? Anyway, let's just see. If not, it'll be a specialty item and we'll talk to our friends at Classic Industries. Tony, what's shaking? Step up to the plate, little buddy.
Nothing, just decided to stop by, see how you're doing.
Blair's giving her a shit here. Come and check out the car we're working on.
Well, yeah, I heard the fan going.
Yeah. You're a big fan, right?
Yeah, big fan, yeah.
Okay, a fan. Let's not.
A little fan, yeah.
Gonna be sick, Tone. Remember when we did the first 69 runner?
Yep.
The orange one?
Yep.
This one's going the same color.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, let's admire Blair. Can we admire your handiwork?
Yes, you can.
Okay, here, let's go take a look. Come on, Tone.
Ooh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Looking good, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
2 weeks we've been.
You got a long way. Well, last time I saw you were just working underneath of it.
Ma, don't touch that. Jesus H. Christ. Lincoln, get out of here. You're going to gas yourself. You don't have enough brains to spare. Me and Tony got lots. It smells like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah.
Cool. Oh, this is looking good.
Yeah, man.
But you're just gonna go with the same orange and then the stripe down it, or?
I think we're going to put the 69 stripe. Just because, like, the 68 stripe is only goes between the hood bulges.
Yeah, that's right.
Because they never made a 68 Roadrunner convertible, so
Yeah.
we can do whatever we want.
Yeah. You're gonna go to a dark or a white, like a black or a white?
What?
Stripe.
Black.
Black.
Ooh, never thought about it. Tony, don't be distracting me.
Oh no. Jeez, better walk away now, right?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Oh, here, yeah, let's get out of your way. I'll take it back to Good job, Blair.
Hey, I see some sounding marks you missed here.
I did. What's your side?